Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling when you open your bank statement? You see all these debits for things you vaguely remember signing up for, or maybe services you just don't use anymore. Money seems to be constantly slipping through your fingers, and you have no clue where it's all going. This might sound dramatic, but trust me, you are not alone. In today's digital age, with free trials galore and a million ways to sign up for everything under the sun, it's easy to lose track of recurring subscriptions. Maybe you signed up for that meditation app during a stressful week, or that language learning course that promised fluency in a month. Spoiler alert, it didn't. These little subscriptions can seem insignificant at first, but they add up quickly. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money come in. They claim to be the knights in shining armor, riding in to slay the dragon of unnecessary spending and forgotten subscriptions. But before you hand over your financial reins, a crucial question arises. How much does Rocket Money actually cost? Fear not, fellow budget warriors. We're diving deep into the world of Rocket Money in this video, exploring its features, pricing structure, and ultimately, whether it's the financial hero you've been searching for. Breaking down Rocket Money's offerings. First things first, let's understand what Rocket Money brings to the table. Here's a breakdown of their key features. Bill management. Rocket Money automatically tracks your bills and organizes them in one place. No more hunting through emails or bank statements to find out when your cable bill is due. Subscription tracker. This nifty feature identifies all your recurring subscriptions, from your gym membership to that dog food delivery you never use anymore. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money helps you create a budget and categorize your spending. You can set goals and track your progress towards financial milestones. Bill negotiation. Premium feature. This is where things get interesting. Rocket Money claims it can negotiate lower rates on your cable, internet, and phone bills. Sounds too good to be true, right? We'll get to that later. Concierge service. Premium feature. Need help canceling unwanted subscriptions? Rocket Money's concierge service will take care of it for you, saving you the hassle of dealing with customer service representatives. Free versus premium. Understanding the cost. Now, for the burning question, how much does it cost? The good news is, Rocket Money offers a free plan. This gives you access to basic features like bill management and subscription tracking. It's a great way to test the waters and see if the app helps you gain control over your finances. However, the real magic happens with their premium plan. This unlocks features like bill negotiation and the concierge service. Here's where the pricing gets a little tricky. Rocket Money doesn't have a fixed monthly fee. Instead, they charge a success fee based on the amount they save you on your bills. Success fees, a calculated gamble? Let's dissect this success fee structure. Here's how it works. If Rocket Money successfully negotiates a lower rate on your bill, they take a percentage of your first year's savings as their fee. This percentage can vary depending on the type of bill and the amount saved. There's also a minimum fee, which means even if they save you a small amount, you'll still be charged a set minimum. This success fee model can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it incentivizes Rocket Money to negotiate the best deal possible for you, since their fee depends on the savings. On the other hand, there's an element of risk involved. If Rocket Money isn't able to negotiate any savings, you won't be charged a dime. But what if they only manage to save you a small amount? The minimum fee might outweigh the actual savings, making you wonder if it was worth it in the first place. Is Rocket Money worth your money? This ultimately depends on your financial situation and spending habits. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Free plan. If you're simply looking for a way to track your bills and subscriptions, the free plan is a solid option. It can be a valuable tool for gaining financial awareness and identifying areas where you can cut back. Premium plan. This could be a good fit if you have a lot of bills and suspect you might be overpaying. The potential for significant savings on bills like cable and internet can be tempting. However, be wary of the success fee structure. Do your research beforehand.